Let's get ready together and do some pinky Scandi Girl makeup. As always, starting with skin prep. Also gonna do some eye cream today. I feel like whenever I skip this step, I really have a hard time with my concealer later on. So it's really important if you want creaseless, beautiful under eyes. Next, I'm using the BOBBI Brown primer. This makeup needs to be really long-lasting. My main focus today is long-lasting makeup and also that it's really clean and glowy. I'm going to be using the SAIE Glow Gel bit for under my eyes. And this again will help with my concealer later on being super glowy and blendable. So this is how my skin is looking so far, and that's when you know you're ready for makeup. But before, I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. I'm gonna be using the TILBURY Flawless Filter. And for my skin tint, I will be going in with the KYLIE Cosmetics skin tint in the shade 4.5 WM. Going in with a fluffy brush that just blends like a dream. Need a little bit more. It's a very beautiful sheer base. You can still see my freckles and also the glow from underneath as well. And that's exactly what I want for this makeup look. Okay, now to add some color, I'm going in with the WESTMAN Atelier contour stick. Next, for blush, the SAIE Dewy blush. This one is in the shade Baby. This is so pretty. feel like I need a tiny bit more because I really want this blush to show. Okay, now for concealer, I am just gonna do the tiniest bit because, as I said, I want this blush to really show. So I don't want to cover up too much. And I feel like the preparation that I did for my under eyes, you can already see that I need minimal concealer because I want everything to shine through, you know. I'm going over that with my blush brush again to make it really blend. I am obsessed with this makeup base. Okay, so all my cream products are applied. Now it's time for powder. And this step again makes your makeup more long lasting. I'm gonna set my under eyes just where I exactly need it. And also wherever I get oily. Now for bronzer, also YSL. And this one is in the shade 03. This is looking so good so far. I'm gonna go over my whole face with the Hourglass Ambient palette. Now my face is done. I am gonna spray some Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I actually forgot to do my lip contouring. I'm just gonna do that now. I usually do this before makeup because I prefer it without any products, but I think you can still do that after a full face of makeup. But yeah, generally it is included in my pre-makeup steps. Before I go in with mascara, I'm gonna use this Moondust palette from Urban Decay, and I think I'm gonna go in with this pinky shade. It's called Wild Dipper Rides Again, and this is how it kind of looks like. I was just playing around to see how the color is like, and I really like it. So I'm just gonna put it all over. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's really pretty and clean girl kind of approved when it comes to glitter eyeshadow, because it's not too chunky or too much. Okay, I think I wanna do a little bit more bronzing for my eyes, just to deepen it up and really blend the eyeshadow. Okay, now I feel like we're ready for mascara. Gonna do 2 coats as always. And also the bottom lashes. I'm gonna go in with the MAC lip liner in the shade Plum. And this goes beautifully over the Huda Beauty lip contour I just applied. I want to blend this out a little bit more, so I'm gonna go in with a Q-tip and blend out the edges. Okay, now for lipstick. This is the Lawless lipstick in the shade Platinum. This is so beautiful. My sister actually put me on and it's just gorgeous. Okay, so now for lip gloss. I'm not sure whether to go with NARS or also Lawless lip gloss. But I don't know, I feel like it's really pinky and NARS is a little bit more neutral. So I don't know. I'm just gonna try NARS. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this because I don't want my lips to be too much. I still want the blush and the eyes to be like the main focus. So I'm just gonna keep it neutral here. Still gorgeous though, this lip combo. Now to finish off this look, I am gonna go in with the DIOR Backstage Glow Palette. And of course, I'm gonna take the pinky shade for my cheeks. I'm gonna do a little bit for my nose. And also the pearly white one for the inner corners. Just blend that a little bit more. And this is the final makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed getting ready together. Let me know and comment down below if you're excited just like me for fall makeup. I don't know what's going on, but I am at peace with summer coming to an end, and I've never felt that way. Thank you so much for being here and for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.